In this video, our development team has rolled out the new version of our image. So we need to deploy this image to deployments on Kubernetes. So if you run the command kget deploy, you can see the deployment. It has three pods. So if you run the command kget po, you can see those three pods created 28 seconds ago. If you run the deploy kget deploy with -o wide command, so it gives container name and image version as well. So at the moment we have nginx 1.16 version, so we need to set that to 1.19 version. So run the command k set image deploy and then deployment name, that's nginx hyphen deployment, and then the container name is nginx hyphen container. So I'll show you how you can get. If you run the command kget hyphen wide, you can see the container name here. So container name equal nginx 1.19. Once you do that, if you run the command kget pivot, now you can see the new container is creating just only one container 4 seconds ago. So rollout means they update the parts one by one. So if you click on here, you can see that it's working fine. So if you run, it's going to terminate the old parts and create new ones. Now you can see all the parts were updated, just they are just few seconds ago created. So this is how you can do rollout. You can check rollout history, deploy, and nginx hyphen deployment. So you can see that. So if you check the task results now, it's been done. Thank you so much for watching.